In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP 8700 printer that is printing the blank pages. There are two reasons the printer will print the blank pages. The first is printer is not having the enough ink, and the other is your print head or the print head nozzles are clogged. So let's go to the printer display panel. You will see a drop icon on the top. Select it. It will display the estimated level of ink. So we can see the ink cartridges are full. That means we need to do the print head cleaning. Go to the home button and then scroll ahead. Click on the maintenance. Select print head cleaning and click on the start. It's going to take around 3 minutes for that. Let's check the print result. So printer has done the automatic print head cleaning. It has printed all the colors. If you see the lines are broken or the segments are not complete, that means it needs more cleaning. Right now with just one print head cleaning it has started to work. We will select this option. In case lines are broken, you can select the X and then it will go to the next cleaning cycle. So press this one. From now you can start using the printer. In case your printer is still not able to print, then you have to go to the power cleaning option, and that's the option available here. This option consumes more ink than the automatic print head cleaning. So you should do it in case that is not working. Hopefully this will help you to fix the printer problem printing blank pages. Thanks for watching.